Hey guys, as an amateur fisher, I really was looking forward to having something that was collapsible, small, that could fit in a backpack, go fishing from time to time, and then come back and collapse and put it back in the storage. So having something like this is exactly what I needed. This is a small fishing rod. This is a small collapsible fishing rod, which means it can extend out and extend in. First, I want to go over all the things that came in the kit. So first we had our fishing pole itself. We had a line, this extra piece, which I'm not even sure that, I'm not even sure what this does yet. We had the braided line, and we had a couple of lures in this kit for you to get started. So with that being said, these two pieces were disattached. So I'll just show you how to attach it real quick. So this is the piece right here. So what I ended up doing was I ended up putting my fishing rod, because my fishing rod's probably gonna be at the bottom. And then I ended up putting this on the side. So I put it right into this hole right here. This piece, I put it right into this hole. And as you can see, if you can see, there's grooves inside. So you're just gonna slide that right in. You're gonna make sure it hits those spots that it needs to hit. And then you can put in the screwy bit on the other side. So that was the first step. Very easy. Takes like a minute, maybe 30 seconds just to get this piece on. So the next part after that is obviously you want to put it on your fishing rod. So what I tend to do is loosen this up. There's a little groove on the inside of it. There's a little groove on the inside of it on the bottom, and there's a little groove on the top. So make sure you line up the groove on the top with the groove on the bottom, and you just slide this piece in. So what you do is you slide that piece right in there. Slide that piece right in there. You move this up, and then you just twist till it's tight. Very easy, doesn't take a lot of time, and then you're set. So the next part is obviously just extending it. Now I have it accidentally sent to the left side, but all you have to do is just unscrew it and put this on this side to get it right. So that's just my mistake. Sorry guys, I put it on the wrong side. So just unscrew it, put it on the other side, just to make sure you're reeling it in the correct way. Anyway, after that, you take this piece off, and here's your extended piece. So this is really cool. You just extend it out, and then just once it gets nice and snug, then you have a long piece. And I can't, this is more than an arm's length because I have to do that little final piece at the end. I still have two final pieces at the end, guys. So I don't know if you can see it, but you can look up the length, the actual length of the pole, but it's a natural, regular size length pole that you use for any fishing needs. So with that being said, guys, I just want to let you know that this pole is one of the greatest things I've bought for fishing. I am a person that just really relies on having the portability and not taking up a lot of space when I come home. I have a small car, I have a small home. I don't want to take up a lot of space with fishing when it's something that I do once in a while. So having something small, compact, I could throw in a backpack, go out for the day, do a little bit of fishing, and come back home is a great thing to have, and I'm so happy I bought it on Amazon. So if you're looking for a nice, compact, collapsible fishing pole, this might be the option for you.